Well, just go as far as we got it. We'll go sideways with it. We'll load her up anyway, and then maybe take it. Gotta be able to roll the seam, I guess. Nothing worse than a job that's taking too long. In whose opinion, I don't know. But I could end up being a guy like that, or being that guy. I tell you, this one's going on for a while, guys. Even though we redid the circuit and everything really nicely, the old baseboard heater has kicked the old can. So, nothing wrong with our circuit. Power's all there. Okay. Just trying to hide the fact that we had a back here because it's getting textured anyway. Pretty neat, eh? Yeah. It's pretty neat. We're looking for a heavy fill here, so on she slops. Want to just go as far as we got it to go sideways with it. To load her up anyway, and then maybe take it. Gotta be able to roll the ceiling like that. Nothing worse than a job that's taking too long. In whose opinion, I don't know. But I could end up being a guy like that, or being that guy. I tell you, this one's going on for a while, guys. Even though we redid the circuit and everything really nicely, the old baseboard heater has kicked the old can. So, nothing wrong with our circuit. Power's all there. Okay. Okay. Today we're putting this back in, getting her attached nice and tight, caulking it before the final coat of paint. So, we'll just take this out of the way. Okay, awesome. Really nice. Perfect. It's gonna fit better than it ever fit. Ever. Like never, never, ever. There. This will be nice to paint. Everything's good there. If I can get that bottom piece a little better. Take a look here. It is kind of flimsy, guys. I don't like things that are flimsy like that. Now it's stuck, actually. If you use smaller nails, it wouldn't split like it did. If you use a big nail, it'd split. We're going to use small nails. Hopefully this thing won't split. Okay, here we go. If you want to learn how to do it, I'll show you. Just have the right angle to do it here. Put a couple more here. Make her nice and pretty. I hate nails that bang at the same time. Actually, these probably could use a free fill, but. Really use the reach Okay. Right here, Joey. Now it's nice and strong. I'm going to throw one more in because back here it is. Looks like we've got that nice and central. Pretty close anyway, so now we'll measure it to see, make sure we've got enough here for the stove and enough for the fridge. Okay, let's get this little bastard. Really hoping I'm on a stud. There's only one. Got it, pulled it right up. Got another one in there. We need to have these things. It's tighter than I thought it was going to be. Pretty good. Okay, and so one more to put in, right in here somewhere. And you know what? It's pretty fucking solid. So, put another screw in beside each one. Call her a done deal. I'm beginning to wonder that maybe that should have been squared. But I'm thinking it is squared. Like, this is just horrid. I don't know what the fuck anyone thinks they're going to do with that. Yeah, you know, I think for what it is, we're good. We're damn good. Missed it because we were just a little too far, or close. There we go, buddy. Not going nowhere. You ain't going nowhere, sunshine. No, flat out there. Happy with that. Screw you quicker. Don't do this. Nope. Okay, ready. So, give me that thing again. And again, we're doing good. That thing is not moving. And one more at the bottom. So we're there. Stop doing this now. Get it. Okay. Okay. And we gotta fix this, so we gotta bring our contact cement. But that's looking pretty good.